Hey guys, well if you're anything like me, then you like to spend all your spare time shopping for lamps at thrift stores. Well, maybe not, but I don't normally buy lamps, use lamps or anything like that. I have enough as is, but I saw this guy hanging around in the Goodwill up here, one of the Goodwill thrift stores up here in Tennessee, and I had to buy it because this is kind of a retro theme for me. The way this looks with the, if you'll notice, it's got the wood and the brass and a tinted glass on the front of it and the mirrors in the back and all the etchings there and all like that. And that takes me back to the early 1980s when this lamp was probably new, because we moved in a house in 1982 and all the fixtures all the way around the house were that type of stuff, except for the kitchen. I think the kitchen had a fluorescent light fixture in it. But otherwise, they were all like the hanging lights that had the cut glass things around them and the, you know, the bulbs in them. And there's some that were like a cross bar type deal, and they were like that sort of antique brass, and they had the big like clear globes on them and stuff like that. I'm sure y'all remember that. You don't see that stuff anymore. Everybody puts in these nowadays. Every house has to have a ceiling fan light. This house has got them all the way through it, which is fine. But anyway, this kind of takes me back to those days when I used to, about the time I used to come home from school every day and sit in front of the TV and eat Breyers mint chocolate chip ice cream and watch the Munsters and Andy Griffith on the TV. So I picked it up. It was $8. You know, Goodwill does a good thing. They help the needy, so I don't mind supporting them. So anyway, this thing didn't come with a shade, so I visited another thrift store and bought this funky looking, looks like a hat. I'll tell you what it looks like. It looks like the Vietnamese hats they wear when they're in the rice paddies. It's kind of made like a texture like that. Either that or the Spy versus Spy hat. But regardless, I found that for $3.49, so that should go pretty decent with that thing. And then when I was looking at this, one thing that especially attracted me to it was these lights in here, which look supposed to be like candles, but they've got night light bulbs in them, which I don't like. They don't look right in there. So I thought one thing when I saw those, and you guessed it, flicker glow bulbs. So you know these things, they've been around forever. They look like just like a gas flame or something like that. But anyway, the idea is I'm going to clean this all up, put those in, put the shade on it, and then we'll put it on my computer desk right there where I can look at it all the time and enjoy it. And so when I get it all done, I'll bring you guys in and look at the finished product. See that? It's pretty grimy in there. Yeah. Now, one thing I sure appreciate, and that is Goodwill using these stickers that are so hard to get off. So we got my little duster here. Let's just see how this is going to work if we get in there and just sort of give it some dust in here. Let's make a little racket. What is that? Take this out. But we can take those off and take those tubes off and get in there to the there we go. It's easy. Being vintage, even I don't profess to guess how high quality this thing actually is, but let's just not think about that. clean it a little bit more, I think, with something else. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to take my whatchamacallit off here and see if I can get around in the back here. I think it's probably supposed to be glued now. I guess it's kind of has come loose a little over time. Boy. Yeah, it's kind of been a little. Past couple days we had that cold front move through, and it's been just a little blustery and cold, and I just don't feel like being outside much when that's going on. So it's a good opportunity to do something in here a little while. See our stickers coming. Good. Give a paper towel. Get that all dried up. I learned that trick at work. Okay. See you when it's all together. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. That's flame only. Light only. Lamp and flames. Oh yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one.